Make laundry days effortless with this condenser tumble dryer from Beko, which has handy features to protect your clothes. It has a B energy rating and a medium-sized 7-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better drying results. Sensor drying technology gives you perfect drying results each and every time. Once you've chosen the cycle you want, clever sensors keep an eye on the moisture levels inside and bring the program to a stop as soon as your clothes are ready. So you can rest easy knowing your favorite shirt will always be in tip-top shape and you'll have given Mother Nature a helping hand too. Beko's clever anti-crease feature helps to reduce deep wrinkles forming in your clothes. When the drying cycle has finished, the drum will automatically switch to a gentle tumble that untangles laundry and prevents creasing. Now, your clothes will be ready to put away and you'll spend less time behind the ironing board. If you're looking for a tumble dryer with handy features to protect your clothes, this condenser model from Beko is an ideal choice.